Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stretch your videos ratio seamlessly using the Wings feature. So if you open the Wings app on your phone, if you don't have one, you can just download it first. Click on the Wing app in here and you'll see on the homepage there will be this video extender option, so you can extend or stretch the resolutions of your video. So let's just click on it and choose a portrait video here. Okay, I'm going to use this videos right here, but it will only support 2-second videos. A longer duration available soon. So this is a beta version, so you can just click on a check icon. Now this is the current size that it's available, 16 by 9. Now you can just click on extend button, click on OK, and now it will processing. Just wait until the videos extended. Okay, so now the result came out. You can see that my video has been extended, so there are like additional of chairs and everything you can see in here. You can just click on the save button at the top to save the result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.